Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, March 22nd, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed, and my cockatoo is really excited about what I have to say about the stock market today. Sorry about that. You know, she doesn't squawk much except when I start talking about stocks, and then she just screams. Anyway, um, yeah, we had. I'm showing you the old chart here, and this gap here didn't really exist. This is represents 2 days of missing data, but the Dow was climbing to the levels you see here for today and yesterday. And speaking of today and yesterday, I called the Dow up today. I was wrong. It ended up closing down 41 points. But if you look at this, you can see this is just basically a continuation of the pattern yesterday. And I did kind of hedge my bet yesterday. I said either it's going to go up or it's going to go sideways and consolidate some more. Sideways and consolidation was the name of the game today. You can see how this thing is just snaking around my red resistance line here. I'm going to again say what I did yesterday, that this consolidation is going to eventually break to the top side, not to the downside. And so I'm going to call up again for tomorrow. You know, it could go another day like this, but it's going to break out of this, and it's going to break out of it to the top side. We actually had a decent day today. Uh, I forget exactly what we had on the close yesterday, but we ended up closing out about $9,000 positive uh, in closed out trades, and we're carrying nine new positions, and we're carrying positive $34 on those 9 positions. So I am certainly hoping this does break to the top side, because we don't want to take 9 positions into the toilet here. I don't think that's going to happen. I'll just show you a couple of the trades we had today. Both of these are drug stocks, and it's interesting. This first one is Advaxis, and we had bought Advaxis yesterday right out of the gate. It hadn't done too much, had this beautiful gap up this morning for our exit, and we ended up taking $4,000 out out of Advaxis on the exit. It pulled back some then, and then it started to climb. We get the re-entry up here, and then it pulls back. So after taking $4,000 positive on our first exit, we get into the thing, and we're holding a negative $2,500 in open trade going into tomorrow. So that was just a little bit discouraging about Advaxis. I'll show you one other drug stock here, if I can find it. Oh man, I hate this when I get them on the same. I'm looking for Agios. Oh, here it is. Sorry about that. Okay, this is Agios Pharmaceuticals. This one didn't do all the jumping around. The other one did. We got into this about second hour. It was just screaming. Came up here, then pulled back, and then settled back a little bit, but still finished very strong there. And we're holding 2.3 $8,000 in Agios Pharmaceuticals. So, as I say, we basically are neutral on those 9 positions, but I'm pretty encouraged by what we kind of follow through. We should get tomorrow, and we did close out $9,000 positive in open trade equity. I am going to start doing active posting again tomorrow. I pretty much got my data situation and new account worked out. So anyway, I'm looking forward to that. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.